And in this style tag, if I write color colon blue, now see what happens when I close this tag up, and you'll see hello world. Most of you have been uh, done with hello world so many times, as me also. So again, you have to click text. You have to select p tag, and they use that style. Is it, sorry, just wait for a second. Style and color should be orange, right? I want orange color this time. And in this hello world, and I write something. Please like and subscribe. Got it? With the exclamation mark also. So sorry guys, I'm having some fever right now. Now you see the colors of H1 and H2 tags are changed right now. Got it? Now coming back to the color again. Sorry guys, once again. So now how to add a fav icon. Yeah, that's the thing. So what is basically a fav icon? Fav icon. So this would be the last thing. Plus then we're gonna be making we never made form, right? Yeah, we never did. So yeah, first we'll do a form, then we'll start. For form, let's write form, and no need of this. So just like click form, remove this action button, and this form you have to make three things. Like for example, let us say input type, enter your name. So over here, input type. Sorry. I just did this in the wrong way. Input type text. Sorry, and placeholder, I would say over here, enter your name. So we have to for this form we have to do three things: input, name, your email, and your your email and your designation. So designation, got it? So these are the three things that are in the form. So yeah, once I go back to the code, yeah, you see over here I can type anything. For example, like I type code and sorry and play. Similarly, I can type any email like this and rate this and your designation. I'm a YouTuber plus instructor. Yeah, that's my designation right now. Got it? So now these are the most important thing that every front-end engineer or a developer should know. Now the next thing is the fav icon. So what is a fav icon basically? Now let's just do everything. Do subscribe to my channel guys so that I can buy what is called, I think, a pen tab, right? So over here in the top section we see a navigation bar. We don't see a navigation bar, we see a search bar like Google, and this is basically our nav bar. Do you understand now? So this is basically what, just do it like this so you guys can understand it out. So this is the navigation bar. Let us consider this a nav bar, and at the top of the website you see these kinds of small little icons, plus over here something like your website name would be written over here, and some dot www.com or something like that would be written also. So this thing is known as the FAV fav icon. And most of you guys don't know how to do this, because this is a really important. Every website has its own unique FAV icon. So for this, let's go to the day one again, and for fav icon, and in the heading, let's go to the heading, and over here you have to, in the page title after this, you have to link, you have to write link rel is equals to link. Oh, sorry, I didn't make the make the link link and attribute, and then in the link I have to put wealth equals to icon type, sorry, icon, and type equals to equals to the URL of our image, and we're going to be saying href is equals to the, sorry, URL, and in this, what is going to be our image type? It's going to be image, sorry, image slash x dash icon. Got it? And this is the icon. So let's go to the YouTube once again. If we go to the YouTube, let's search for FAV icon. Yeah. So over here, like I got this one. Well, consider this as the UI icon. So let's copy. Okay, copy image. Copy image address. Let's go back to the content, and let's go back over here. So I'm going to be pasting it out. Control V, Control S. Now let's see. Why isn't it working? No, oh, it would work. It worked. It worked. So see now our heart is showing over here. So it's known as the fav icon. So guys, now you have learned a lot of basic things of the HTML, and you know how to make a div, and you know how to just make a form. And the next thing is that you guys now know how to add URL and how to add like your uh, images to it. Now the next thing is how to add your videos. Now that's the main thing. For this, I'm going to be saying source tag, and in the source tag, we're going to be saying src is equals to your URL. So, for example, if you guys have a YouTube channel, so what you're going to do is like code and play. If I go to my channel right here, I just copy the link, share, copy this link, and come back to my website. Sorry, my code, and yeah, boom. Now you see. Where's the link? Just wait for a second. Let me fix it out. That why isn't it showing? Oh, sorry, sorry. P. So yeah, it should be showing over here somewhere. Let me see that. Like, yeah, I've written the source. Why isn't it working? Yeah, I forgot. Let me see it out again. And the MP4, is this where time was missing? No, this was not the issue. Why isn't it showing me the where I'm lacking? This shouldn't be the issue, right? Media SRC should. open my video. Let me give it to this and see what's wrong. Fix this. Let us see what's. I can't actually. Oh, but it can absolutely go wrong. Oh, so there is some sort of issue with the YouTube link, not my side. It's some YouTube link issue. That's why it's not showing on my browser. Yeah, I was thinking that whether it's my specific issue, but it was like YouTube problem. So this is how you can try this out at your home. So now let me give you a really small task. So you have to make a similar path icon and practice this. Oh. So we're done with the basic. Sorry, we're done with the basic HTML, and from my next videos, we're gonna be starting with the CSS. Like I've covered the most important things. Like there are a lot of more tags. Like there are hundreds and thousands of tags that would take a lot of time, and you don't have to cover each and every tag because most of the website, like if you visit YouTube or any sort of other websites. So let me go to YouTube, and you'll see that most of the tags are not pretty much used. Yeah, over here is the input tag, and we click on this. Why is my videos not showing? But yeah, there are a lot of videos showing over here. They are fetching real-time data, but that would be another thing that I'll discuss in my upcoming videos. So hope you guys understand and like this video. If you guys did, do subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, so you never miss any of my coding video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace out.